Hi guys, today we are going to discuss on how to install managed server on remote machine. So my admin server is available on 129 server, and I'm going to install my managed server on 128. So first I need to start my node manager. Okay, so let me try to start my node manager. It will be available under middleware under WLS server bin, under server bin. Okay, here you will get the command start node manager.sh. So I'm just starting node manager.sh, and I'm just trying to check how this is going to start. Okay, first we need to do one thing. We need to change one property here on node manager.properties. So we need to do that one once it came up. Let's see. So this is my node manager configuration. So these all are my default port. So I'm not using SSL certificate right now, so I need to mark it as false. Okay, this one I need to mark it as false. So let me go and update this file. Sorry. So let me go and update this file. This file is available under this folder. Let me try to access. So you need to update node manager.properties on my remote machine. Okay. So whatever communication is going to happen on your admin server to your managed server. So for all this communication or whatever configuration you may see on config.xml file updates is going to update from admin server to managed server using this node manager port. Okay, that's the reason why node manager is very crucial, important configuration one while you are going to configure managed server. Okay, so even in your admin server you need to start managed server. Why? Because you need to start node manager. Why? Because these node managers is going to communicate with each other, and all the configuration files is going to travel using these ports, and also the health checks. Your admin server is going to monitor all the server health checks using this node manager.property. So under node manager.property, if you are right now, we are not going to use any SSL related certification related property. So I am going to put it as false, and just I am going to save this file. Okay, so I'm going to now I'm going to stop my node manager service, and I'm going to start again. I'm going to restart my node manager property. So I'm going to kill -9. Okay, so once this process killed, you again need to restart your server. You need to restart your node manager. Node manager service is available on under WLS server. There is a server bin you will get here. nohub.start.weblogic.sh, and this is, if you are going to give n symbol, this service is going to run on background. So you will get prompt, but still this service is going to run in a background set. This nohub is just like whatever output file is going to write on this script. So everything is going to write under nohub.out file. Okay, so these two parameters is useful. Useful. Why? Because if you are not going to give this one, so it will gonna write here, and this console is, you will not get this prompt. If you are going to give as Control Z, so that process is going to kill. That's why if you want to run in a background side, you just use n symbol. If you don't want to write everything on here, so that time you need to give as nohub, so that output file is going to redirect it to nohub.out file. Okay, so anyway, in my manage server or my remote machine, which is on 128. So I created, I started Node Manager. Let me go and create. From the admin server. Let me try to create manage server from the admin console. So let's see how it is going to work. So first, click on servers. So under servers, you need to create your managed server. So I already created on this environment. Let me remove everything and I will show you again. Okay, first you are going to create any managed server. So first time you need to even let me delete this. I will show you. So first, while you are going to create any managed server, you need to create machine also. So the main purpose of creating machine is so first I will create managed server. Let me explain you clearly. First I am going to create managed server. You can give whatever name you want, and this name is unique on your entire your entire domain. So I am going to give my IP address here. Even if you don't provide anything, no problem. Just for reference, you just give this IP address, and here I'm providing a port number. So this also should be unique on this remote machine. Okay, and you just click as next. Right now we are not going to create any cluster. So once you just click as finish. But if you are not going to create any machine, your server will not start. Let me show you. So you just created managed server using IP and port. So let me show you. It may not start. Okay. It will ask you. So see here. It will ask does not have a machine associated with it. So that means you need to create machine. Why? Because so my node manager is going to run on my machine component. So for communicating between my admin server and any of the remote machine, this communication is happen through node manager. And this node manager properties we are going to configure under machine. Okay. So I'm just going to create machine here. So let me create machine here. So just click as new, and here you can give machine name whatever you want, or you can give IP address also. That is not a problem. Right now I am putting just as other, no issues with this. And here you need to provide IP address. So this is very important. It is going to communicate using this IP address, and this port also unique. This port also unique. Obviously these are default by your node manager. So obviously this port may not be available. Okay. So for each machine or for each remote server, we have only one one node manager. So anyway, so this port is unique, and this IP address is you need to provide your remote machine IP address. And here there is a couple of different types of communication, something like SSH, RSH, plain, and SSL. So I'm just going to use as plain. I don't have any SSL certificate right now, so I'm just using plain. SSH, RSH also you can use whatever you want, but for plain is simple communication. So let me show you. I'm just clicking as finish. Okay, now we just activate this change. Now you can go and lock and edit, and click on server. and here you need to add your